Hey guys, so today we will do a 5-day healthy hair challenge. So basically what I will do is I will show you guys the step-by-step hair care routine of the things that I'm doing to my hair every day. I will be showing you guys the DIYs that I will do and the products that I will use throughout this 5-day challenge. And also I'm going to make this in a kind of like a vlog way. So this challenge is especially great to do if you are recovering your hair from damage, or if your hair is dry, or if you're trying to grow out your hair, or if you just want healthy hair and healthy scalp just in general. This challenge is definitely for you. Okay, so for day 1, I'm going to be doing exfoliation and the baggy method. Alright, so this is day 1. Let's go ahead and make some DIY scrub for the scalp. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this sugar right here, because I think I will be using wash sugar instead of brown sugar this time. And then I will be using this honey right here. And then I will use some castor oil. And also I'm going to use some of this virgin coconut oil. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the scrub. Okay, if you all want an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, I actually made a video. I'm just gonna kind of like demonstrate it again, but I'm not going to like fully explain all of the details. So I'm gonna add in the sugar. Actually, it's best to use the brown sugar or the muscovado sugar. So I'm gonna add that much. And then to that, I'm going to be adding the VCO. I'm gonna add some virgin coconut oil here. And then a couple pumps of the castor oil. So I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of honey, and then I'm gonna mix it all in. That's what it looks like right there. I really do like the smell of this. I feel like eating it actually, because it smells delicious. And you know what? This is actually pretty much edible. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this on my scalp. Why do I feel like this is still a tutorial? I told you guys that I'm going to do this a vlog style way. I feel like it's kind of like an automatic thing for me to kind of like give like this DIY directions. Also, I know a lot of people do scalp scrub when their hair is damp, but I find that sometimes you can't really you can't really scrub your scalp properly if your hair is already wet, just because the sugar like quickly melts off. So you actually defeat the purpose of like the whole scrubbing thing. And also, I know that I always show you guys how I apply it on my scalp, but also don't forget these areas down here as well. Right, so after that I've coated my hair, actually what I do is sometimes I just sit down and I just do kind of like a 2-minute or 3-minute scalp massage on my scalp. Why am I so repetitive? Sometimes I feel like I'm so redundant in using words. Okay, now that I smell like sugar and honey, let's proceed in doing the baggy method. But I'm not going to do the traditional like baggy method to where I'm oiling my hair and I'm gonna let that nest on my hair, because honestly, today I do not have all the time for it. So what I'm going to be using is the Hair Fix Keratin Protein Warm Hair Mask Treatment, and it looks like this. So it has a treatment inside already, a ready-made treatment inside. If you want to do the DIY version, it's totally up to you guys, but for me, I really want to save some time, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so before that, I'm just going to go ahead and wet my hair. Who is it? Kikita! Oh my gosh, hi! You guys, this is my little niece. Look at her. She's all grown up. Hey! Say hi! Say hi!
Hi.
Hi! Are you okay now? Yes. She was sick last time. Okay, so what we're gonna do, little woman, Tita is going to wash her hair, and then we're gonna put some hair mask. Okay? Let's do it. Okay, so the direction says to wash the hair or like wet it with water. So now my hair is wet with water. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put all of my hair inside. So my little niece is witnessing the process. Wait, oh my god. Oh, it can't fit. Oh, my hair is rebelling. It doesn't want to get inside. Okay, there you go.
So want to water.
With water. So I'm just gonna massage all of the treatment inside my hair. What do you think? Should I put this as a cap on? Should I do it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. My hair is a lot.
Sugar.
Yes, sugar. No, don't eat it. Sugar. Yeah, I know, child. It is a sugar, but don't eat it. Okay, so now you guys, this is what my hair looks like right here. Okay, so I'm gonna let this nest on my hair for about 2 hours, and then we are going to be what? Washing it off. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the length of my niece's hair. Sandali. I'll put this back on my hair and then we will brush your hair, okay? I did that because it was slipping. Look at her hair, it's so long and thick. I'm gonna make your hair just like mine, okay? Like, we are gonna take care of this hair to make sure that it's healthy and long and all natural. See? Don't you love like children's hair? Because it's so untainted. Alright, yes. I just really love the texture of her hair right now.
I have sugar.
Yeah, I know. I have sugar. Tita has sugar all over her. So first of all, I just washed my hair with water. So now I'm going to be using my Purilla Faux Tea All Natural Shampoo. This has no sulfate, no parabens, and no silicones. And actually, this is one of those hair growth shampoos that I've reviewed last time. And I have been really liking it. I like that it has a cooling sensation on the scalp. And also the thing that I do like about this is that it actually cleanses your scalp, but at the same time, it doesn't strip the natural oils that you have in your hair. I need to talk. I'm talking to my niece right now. She wants me to go home with her to Bacolod. Tita will go next week. I'm staying there with you. Gusto mo sa ako? You wanna stay with me? Aww. Well, you have to ask your mom. Tapos at then, Tita Wednesday night service, I'll go to your house. Yes. So for the conditioner, I will be using the Purilla Faux Tea conditioner. It contains no sulfate, no paraben, and no silicone. That's what it looks like right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over. Okay, I'm gonna let this stay on my hair for 3 minutes and then I'm just gonna simply wash it off. Okay, so now I just rinsed my hair. I'm just basically towel drying my hair and then I will be air drying my hair after this, which will just take about, I don't know, like 10,000 years. And then after that, I will be showing you all what I put on my hair after. Okay, you guys, so after 5,000 years, half of my hair is dry, but the bottom part of my hair is still kind of damp. So I still got an hour to dry my hair. I will show you guys the results later. Okay, guys, this is such a weird position. I can't fully show you all my hair. I am done. My hair is officially dry. Now, one great thing that I like when doing this method is that not only it makes the top part of my hair really soft and smooth, it actually adds a little bit of volume and body to my hair, and I really do like that. Of course, the bottom part of my hair is also really soft as well. So what I will do right now is I'm just going to apply oils on the bottom part of my hair. Okay, so what I'm using right now is the Too Chic Repair Super Potion Hair Oil Serum, and this is from Giovanni, and that's what it looks like right there. So I'm just gonna take some, just one pump, just like that, and then I'm just gonna put that onto just the bottom part of my hair. Also, I really haven't detangled my hair or fully detangled my hair, so I will do that right now. This is actually such a weird way of filming because you can only see half of me. And some of you have been like telling me and asking me about like my hair length update. So my hair is now until here. It's running way past my butt. It's like on my thighs now. Okay, so that is it, you guys. That is all for day 1. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2 on how I take care of my hair. Yep, that's it. Bye!